Hello, my dear friends. So, as you guys know, I am based in Sweden and I've come to India for my surgery. And you won't believe for the disease which I was suffering for 6 months, I got the diagnosis after coming to India within 15 to 20 minutes. My ultrasound reports just came in my hands in 10 minutes. Can you believe it? And I didn't wait. So, as I was already in pain, I quickly the next day itself had a breakfast, went to the scanning center, did my ultrasound with the Doppler technology, and I got the reports in my hands. And then after that, quickly the doctors, I had already spoken to some doctors and got expert opinion from them, and they told me that. Surgery is the only option, that is called hysterectomy, which is removing the uterus after all, and the fibroids have been so big that there's no point in saving my uterus. So then I went to Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital, and as my surgery was already booked in the next 2 days, I had a series of tests to be done, which was already prescribed by the doctor. So I got my patient ID, which is usually referred in the whole hospital. It's a huge hospital, and the service is amazing. So I got all sorts of tests done, which is like mammography, liver test, blood sugar, BP, all the tests required. Of course, there is also variety of different tests. So I had to come the next day also for the test to be done. So if you're interested to know the insurance cost and the money and everything, then stay tuned for more.